Now Lisa is going to add some onions to our oil, which is nice and hot, and we're going to cook that to a golden brown. And now we're going to add mushrooms to our dish and get those cooking up nice and... I don't know what color mushrooms cook. We're going to cook our mushrooms to a nice brown color. At this point in our dish, we're going to add rice for flavor. Because it just looks good when you're doing stuff. It's more of your wizardry. We're going to add the eggs to the dish. And now for the secret ingredient, because everything tastes better with cheap wine. Oh, look at that go. That's going to be absolutely amazing. And now it's time to add in the teriyaki sauce. We're now ready to taste test